I'm always thinking about the future. What's next for humanity? Do we have what it takes to survive on this rapidly changing planet? And what solutions are going to help us get out of this mess that we're in? It's time to be wiser with the technology that's at our fingertips. At GoSun, we're not just dreaming about the future, we're building it. I believe in a brighter future, a solar-powered future. Welcome to the world where innovation meets boundless optimism. At the heart of GoSun is a culture pulsating in creativity and exploration. We're finding ways to do things better. We've made over $20 million in sales and grown at over 20% a year. Since there are so many problems to solve, this is just the tip of the iceberg. And this iceberg is not melting. We are disruptive and different, yet everything we're doing is simple. These are common sense innovations that, when brought together, create an amazing impact. GoSun's innovation machine has disrupted big markets: outdoor cooking, RV, marine, and now we're tackling automotive. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with clean energy. And let's build a brighter future together.